Hey everyone, this is Will. Welcome to Black in the Core.
Today is January 25th on Sunday. It's about 14 degrees and it feels like -1.
They're having fun. These people, they work in the cafe next door.
Can you send it to me?
Yeah,
You can come down anytime. I'll
Okay.
wait for you.
no worries. I got you. I got you.
Your camera's cool.
Thank you. It's so crazy because we're walking along Lexington Avenue South, and at this point you can't even see the Chrysler Building. Crazy. Crazy here. I think I better get a coffee before I head out because I'm already cold. Hello.
Yes.
Can I have just a small coffee?
Milk and sugar?
No sugar, no milk.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it. I'm gonna stay warm with this coffee along the way. So, all right, let's go, guys. This is the Waldorf Astoria. Just opened it up, newly renovated.
This is so dramatic. It takes a lot to stop the buses and the subways. Oh wow, that thing is heavy duty.
The local businesses, they have to shovel the snow in front of their businesses, so it's a requirement. We haven't had snow like this in a long time. Right now, the city's so quiet. So we're just heading south along Lexington. We're at 46th Street, and we're headed to 42nd.
We're gonna see if Times Square will still be crowded, like even in the middle of a blizzard like this.
I'm gonna take a detour into Grand Central Terminal so that I could get a little bit warm before heading to Times Square. I love coming in here. Any excuse to come into Grand Central Terminal, I'll make, because it's just such a beautiful building and I'm glad it wasn't torn down. I love the old clock. The ceiling, it has the zodiacs. It's just amazing. All right, let's head out. The Spirit of Squash. Oh, they've made this very fancy now. It used to be completely empty in this part of the station. They got the squash here. Awesome. All right, we're headed back outside to go to Times Square and see what it looks like with all this snow. Oh, Pershing Square. All right, we're along 42nd Street and we're headed west to Times Square.
I love the cabs, taking people where they need to go, even in this weather.
I almost got caught up there. Oh my God, this is actually so fun. I'm cold, but I'm having fun out here with you guys. You guys are out here with me. We're headed to Times Square. Now, I usually don't go to Times Square, but I figure this is exceptional. This is a special kind of case. So, yeah, why not do a little walk to Times Square? See if it's busy still, which I doubt.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Times Square.
My hands are super cold. They feel like they're in pain. They're in a little bit of pain, but I got one glove on, the other one in my pocket, and if I get too cold, I'll just try to step inside somewhere. You know, I gotta just say, Midtown is like a well-oiled machine. And despite what's going on, they try to keep the streets clean and, you know, keep it moving. So I'm very fortunate to live right here in Midtown. We just hit 5th Avenue. Look at the library across from me. That's the New York Public Library. In fact, let me go that way. I want to get a closer look. So yeah, this is the New York Public Library. There's tourists still out trying to get photos. And both lions look like they're pretty damn cold, if you ask me.
Let's go inside Bryant Park. So I literally had to stop the walk right now because my battery stopped working.
And luckily, I'm in one Bryant Park, the public space here, so that I can warm up. There's literally no one else in here except for one person. I'm shocked by that.
Well, my battery's warmed up, so let's go back out.
Even the fountain is frozen. That's how cold it is today. We are on our way. We're almost there. I didn't realize how tough it would be to actually get to Times Square. It usually takes like 15 minutes. Let's get a view from inside the store. So yeah, I'm in a clothing store right now. Just giving you a view from the window so you can see all the action from above. So I did it, you guys. I made it to my final destination, Times Square. It was harder than I thought to actually get here. Usually it's like a 15-minute walk, but I had to stop a couple of times just to get warm. The snow, it's hitting you with like, it almost feels like hail. I found a place, it's like a soccer store, Pelly, and it's nice because I'm able to keep warm, watch a little bit of the game, sit down, it's perfect.
Please subscribe to my channel for future videos on New York City and hit the notification bell to receive more updates.